Hello and welcome to another SatNav Systems video. Today we have Volkswagen Tiguan and we're going to be doing two upgrades to this. We will be doing front and rear original Volkswagen optical parking sensors and also a reversing camera. You don't get many of these in the UK where they come without the sensors at all. Usually the cars already come with sensors. But this particular one I'm just going to show you doesn't have any sensors, and you can see it looks like it might have it, but these are just dummy covers. They are not sensors. This is a plastic mold which imitates the sensor, but actually it doesn't have it. So you can see all four of them in the grille, and the back here has no sensors whatsoever because obviously they sit in the bumper. So there's nothing here. Also, you can see there's no camera because the grip is just the grip. If I open the boot, you can see there's no lens or whatsoever. So we're going to add both the sensors and the camera, and we'll show you the final results when it's all done. So let's get to it. Right, we got the car out from the workshop. The job has been completed. So let's just have a look now quickly how the sensors look. So you can see they are installed here in the bumper. So it's two inner ones and the outer sensors on the edges of the bumper. And then the camera is just here. So the grip is changed, which is holding now the camera lens. So I can probably open that for you if I open the car. There you go. So you can see exactly the camera, how it looks. And let's have a look at the front sensors, where, as I've explained earlier, there were just like a dummy plastic covers. Now you've got the sensors, the proper sensors in them. So you can see in every single bracket they are sitting correctly. And let's have a look now how it all performs. So I'm gonna get in the car. Let me select the reverse gear, and we can see the rear camera. You got the edge of the bumper at the bottom. The guidelines are moving guidelines, so they move with the steering wheel. And then the sensors, which obviously have been also added here, is here. So the rear and the front. So if I start reversing now, slowly, I can probably get us to get the sensors working as well. So I'm going to move forward towards the front gate, and then we should be able to see the sensors slowly starting to pick up the post that is just in front of us. And when you get very close, they become red, so that it's showing that obviously you are very close now, and you should not move any further. Or if I come out from it, as you can see, the color has changed and it's just becoming white and so on. So this is all done to the factory specification, including 3 years warranty. If you want to check your car compatibility or get more information, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.